A horrible question this, unless you're really good at kind of imagining things in your head. I'm really bad at that. Anyway, look, there's the roof of the house, that's the way I'm thinking of this. Two faces, the one we can see and the one behind it, have to be shaded. So I think we can start off by shading a face of this net that is next door to the one that's already shaded on the net. So we're going to shade this one to the right of it, hopefully. Very nice shade of green. So we shade it in, and that kind of forms the roof of the cube in the way that it's pictured at the top there. Okay, I think we're going to call that the roof. Yes, it's the roof shape. And now we need the kind of gable ends, the ends of the house, or the ends of the roof. Okay, and you've got to imagine now folding it so that that bit that I've just shaded folds round to join the newly shaded green bit, and we'll call that that part. And then at the bottom, that green part is also shaded to form the kind of front side of the roof, sort of the gable end that we can see there. Man's just coughed, sorry.